IELTS Mentor, your companion to IELTS success. Welcome to IELTS exam preparation tips and tricks. This channel is completely dedicated to those who are willing to take part in the IELTS examination and expecting a high band score. If you are preparing for this exam on your own, you are advised to learn about the exam format, and then watch the IELTS preparation playlist. After you finish the preparation section, read and master the sample questions and finally go through the IELTS tips. This English Mentor channel aims to provide you with the comprehensive IELTS materials you need to study to achieve a high band score. Reading through sample answers of IELTS speaking and writing sections is helpful to understand what types of questions you would be asked as well as how to answer them. Many of our sample answers are prepared by experienced teachers and those answers are band 8/9 levels. We suggest you read those answers. Almost never try to memorize them. And prepare your own answers. Sometimes simply reading sample answers can enhance your preparation level and make you ready to answer almost any type of question. The reading section has many reading passages, both for the academic and GT test takers. And those samples were taken from original IELTS tests. Some of those reading samples come with answer explanations. In your IELTS test, you will have 3 reading passages while we have added a single reading passage in a page. This was done intentionally to let you practice rather than take mock tests. However, if you are still interested in using them for mock tests, practice 3 reading passages at a time within an hour. If you practice a single reading passage to test your reading skill, do not take more than 20 minutes to answer the questions. Besides, the listening samples have great resources to give you a real taste and flavor of the IELTS listening test. Each listening sample has 4 sections, and you are expected to finish the whole test in an hour. Each section gives you practice for the corresponding IELTS module of the original IELTS test. And it gives you a chance to develop specific skills that will help you, both in the IELTS test and in your use of the English language. The IELTS exam sections give you great details about each section, module of this exam. And that helps you to understand the IELTS exam very meticulously. IELTS Score. Perhaps if you already know about the test, you would be interested to know how your answers are scored by the examiner, or in simpler words, how IELTS is scored. It is also worth learning what each band score, 0 to 9, of the IELTS test means, and with this knowledge, you would be able to interpret your band score after you take the test and get your result. IELTS Myth is an interesting section that deals with 15 IELTS myths that every candidate should know about. Sometimes a piece of misinformation can affect your score negatively, and this article presents what you should believe and what you should not. How this English Mentor channel will discuss every content related to IELTS exam.
Thank you for listening and help us to subscribe this channel. Please like, share, and comments in this video for inspiring us. Thank you.